Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I will show you how to delete multiple emails in Gmail. So firstly, of course, we need to open Gmail on our device. And then if you want to delete multiple emails, you need to press and hold some, just for example, one email like this. And then you can select the emails you want to delete by just tapping on them. For example, if I want to delete these ones, I just need to mark them and then delete them by clicking this trash icon, but I will not delete it because I need these emails. So that's how you delete multiple emails in Gmail. I hope you find this video helpful. Please leave your thumbs up and please consider subscribing to our channel. See you later. Bye bye.